Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Shika Beats. If you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look today, you can continue watching. I'm going to use my Got To Be Free spray to lay my edges back. Now using my blow dryer on warm setting, I'm going to use that to sleek my edges backwards so that the glue won't affect my edges. I will be using 3 layers of my Ghost Bond glue to apply this wig, and you'll only be seeing the first layer applied on camera. Using my wax stick, or here you can use a popsicle stick, same thing. I'm going to use that to spread the glue evenly onto my skin, and please remember, do not put the glue on your edges. I'm going to use my blow dryer on cool setting to cool that glue until it becomes transparent. And I'm going to apply my lace wig without using a ball cap method. However, this wig is approximately 5 years old, and I'm going to show you how to reinstall an old wig, because this wig is really old. You're going to apply the wig onto your head, and you're going to use a comb or any object that you have access to melt, to press that lace into the glue. As you can see, my lace is given scalp, it's given same complexion. I bleached this wig, I plucked this wig. As you can see, I have a little bald patch, but I'm gonna hide that because we all do make mistakes. It was my first time plucking a wig. Yes, so I have a little bald patch there, and I'm going to use my blow dryer on cool setting to press my lace into that glue so it can continue to melt. So now you're going to need something to tie down your lace front so it doesn't lift while styling. Well, I use whatever I got at the moment to tie it down. Alright, so today I'll be doing a center part, and I'm going to use my hot comb to lay down, to let it lay flat. As you can see, it's a bit bulgy and it's not laying flat, so I'm going to use my hot comb and also my wax stick, a Cantu Wax stick, and spritz to lay that down. And you're going to apply pressure while you're doing this. I'm using the hot comb to go over the part to make sure it is laying flat. Are you seeing the difference from before and after? Yeah, you can see. I'm not going to stop until it's extremely flat. Using my flat comb. What is it? A hot iron, flat iron? This unit is a body wave hair, and I'm going to straighten it today using my flat iron and a comb to comb it out as I'm trying to straighten it. It's a bit difficult to straighten a body wave hair from my point of view, because I do not have the high-tech flat iron that everyone else uses. I'm just using a basic flat iron. So I'm going to try to straighten this hair to the best that I can today. I forgot to point out the reason why I use the jeans pants is because I figure out that it melts the lace into the glue better than the elastic band that they're sold. You will see. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It melts. Did you see that? It's giving scalp. It's giving everything. Yeah, you see me? That's I'm in love with that melt. The jeans do really play a big role in melting that down. Just a little tip from my point of view. Everyone have their own point of view, so this is my point of view. Are you seeing that? We can't stop talking about that melt there. Look there. It's giving scalp, and this is a no ball cap method. Okay? Okay. It's giving Cardi B vibes. It's giving okay. So I'm going to use my Got To Be glue, my Got To Be gel to lay my edges, as you can see. Sleek, slang, scalp. Going back in with my flat iron, I'm going to use that to continue to flatten it, and I'm using that to give it a bit of a height. Yeah, to give it a little height. I'm using the back of my flat iron to give it a height. Well, if you like my content so far, please remember to subscribe. If you want to see more of these content or more makeup, travel, fashion haul, all of those contents, you can subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and that's the finishing look. That's me doing my little thing. It was a pleasure. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below if you liked this video. Hey guys, guess what? This wig is let me see, about 5 years old. Yeah, 5 years old that I purchased this wig in 2019 and now it's 2023. So check, 5 years old, and it's coming on. Period. If you made it this far in the video, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.